Hello grade 3, today we will learn a new lesson. Our lesson today is talking about the perimeter. Here I have figure, and inside this figure I have small squares, small equal squares, and I need to find the perimeter from the previous term, from the first term. How can we find it? By counting the small units around the figure. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the perimeter here equals 10 length unit that we studied in the first term. If I have a figure like this one without small squares, what was we studied in the first term? Yes, the perimeter means the sum of all side lengths. The sum of all side lengths. If the side length here equals 3, what about the other lengths? It's square. So all the 4 sides are equal in length from the first term also. So this side length equals 3 also, and this one equals 3, and the fourth length equals 3. So to find the perimeter, make addition for all the lengths of the square. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 give me 6, and 3 plus 3 give me also 6, and 6 plus 6 equals 12 centimeter, and the unit for this one is centimeter. Okay, and we need an easy way to find the perimeter for any square. We need a rule to find the perimeter for any square. Here I have a square, and we said before all 4 sides are equal in length. If this side length equal 2, that means this one equal 2 and this one equal 2, and the last one also equals 2 centimeter. So we have rule, you have to keep it in your mind to find the perimeter for any square. The perimeter of the square equals what? Side length times 4. Again, the perimeter of any square equals what? Side length times 4. Why 4? Because we said before all the 4 sides are equal in length. So instead of adding the 4 side lengths, you have to take the side length and multiply this side length by 4. So if the side length for this one equals 2, how can we find the perimeter? Excellent. First step, you have to write the rule. The perimeter here equals what? Side length times 4, because this figure is square. So 2 by substitution, 2 times 4 equals 8 centimeter, and this 4 from the rule. But 2 here is the side length. Again, so to find the perimeter of any square, write the rule, and the rule said what? The perimeter equals side length times 4 by substitution, with side length here equals what? Equals 2. So 2 times this 4 equals 8 centimeter, and don't forget the unit. The unit of the perimeter is centimeter. What about rectangle? If we have rectangle, we said in the previous lesson, the lesson of the area, this long side called what? Called the length, and this short side called what? Called width. And to find the perimeter here, you have to keep a new rule. This rule said what? This rule says length plus width between 2 brackets times 2. Again, the perimeter of the rectangle equals length, this length, plus this width, all of them times 2. Why? Why times 2? Because we said before in the first term, each 2 opposite sides are equal in length. This one is equal to this one, and this one, this short one, is equal to this one. So instead of write this side length plus this side length plus this side length plus this side length, you have to keep the rule of the any rectangle, length plus width, all of them times 2. So if the length for this rectangle equals 5 centimeter and the width here equals 2 centimeter, how can we find the perimeter here? Write the rule first. The rule says what? The perimeter equals length plus width between two brackets times 2. By substitution, the length here equals 5 and the width here equals 2. So 5 plus 2 between two brackets, all of them times 2. First find the sum for the two numbers inside the two brackets and then multiply by 2. 5 plus 2 equals what? Equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14 centimeter. Again, write the rule of the perimeter of the rectangle and then substitution by the length and the width from the figure. Find the addition operation first and then make times 2. Exercise number 1, find the perimeter. Here, what is the name of the first figure? Yes, it's a square. What about the second one? It's rectangle. And we learned before the rule of the perimeter of any square and the rule of the perimeter of any rectangle. For the first exercise or the first one, the perimeter equals what? Side length times 4 because it's a square. By substitution, side length here equals 5 from the figure times 4, it will be 20 centimeter. What about letter B? It's rectangle, so the rule of the perimeter of rectangle is what? Length plus width between two brackets times 2. Length here equals 7 and width here equals 4. So by substitution, 7 plus 4, all of them times 2. We do multiply first or plus first? Plus first. 7 plus 4 give me what? Give me 11. 11 times 2 give me 22 centimeter. Okay, if we have in the example the perimeter and we need the length. If we had the perimeter and we need the length, what should we do? We said before the perimeter of the square equals side length times 4. To find the length, divide this perimeter by 4. To find the length, divide the perimeter by 4. This for what? For square or rectangle? For square only. So to find the length and you have the perimeter, divide this perimeter by 4. But in the main rule, the perimeter equals side length times 4, not divided, times. What about the rectangle? If we have the perimeter and we have the width and we need to know the length, what should we do? We will divide the perimeter by 2, not by 4, by 2. We will divide the perimeter by 2. Sorry, this one is 2. And all of them between two brackets minus the width. Let's see examples to understand. Choose the correct answer. The length of the square whose perimeter 36 centimeter. It's a square or rectangle? A square. So to find the length of the square, you have to do what? Divide the perimeter by 4. Divide the perimeter by 4. 36 divided by 4. Excellent. Give me 9. So the length here equals 9. What about letter B? The length of the rectangle whose perimeter 20 centimeter and its width is 7 centimeter. It's rectangle or square? Rectangle. So to find the length of the rectangle, divide this perimeter by 2. First step, divide this perimeter by 2. 20 by 2, which number I multiply by 2 give me 20? 10. And then 10 minus 7, 10 minus the width, 10 minus 7 give me 3 centimeter. What about the last one? The width of rectangle whose perimeter 18 centimeter and its length is 3 centimeter. As as we find the length, we can find the width also. The width here, I will divide the perimeter by 2 and then minus the length. Again, the width here equals what? The perimeter divided by 2 between two brackets minus this length. So 18 here divided by 2 give me what? Which number I multiply by 2 give me 18? Excellent, 9. And 9 minus 3, 9 minus the length equals what? Equals 6. Excellent. Here we have finished grade 3. See you later in another session. I wish you understand the lesson. Goodbye.